Hey guys, and welcome back to Snap Circuits Workshop 2. This is the last project for Snap Circuits Workshop 2. When we finish getting our replacement parts, we will start Snap Circuits Workshop 3. But that won't happen for a while. But anyways, our final project for Snap Circuits Workshop 2 is Project 689, Out of Balance. Say farewell to the Snap Circuits Workshop 2 after this video is done. Alright. Let's start with the B1 battery holder. We're going to place that right here at 89 BCD. We need another B1 battery holder. This B1 battery holder will go right here. Next, we need the S3 relay. This S3 relay is going to go right here at 345. Next we need a 2-snap wire. This 2-snap wire will go down here. Okay, this 2-snap wire will go right here. Alright. Next, we need the S4 vibration switch. Aha! This is the S4 vibration switch. It activates things when the base grid is shaped. Next, we need the R5 resistor. Alright, so let's get the R5 resistor. This R5 resistor will go right here next to the S4 vibration switch, and below this 2-snap wire. Next, we need the M1 motor. I know, but this circuit requires the fan, but I don't have one. Let's get the M1 motor. Here is the M1 motor. This M1 motor will go right here. Next, we need a 5-snap wire. Here's a 5-snap wire. Whoops. This 5-snap wire right here. Next, we need a 4-snap wire. This 4-snap wire will go right here. S1 slide switch will go right here. And I think that might be it for layer 1. Yep, that was the last time we finished layer 1 on Snap Circuits Workshop 2. Let's move on to layer 2. We need the Q3 SCR. Here's the Q3 SCR. We're going to place it right here. Okay. We need a 2-snap wire. This is the rare variant. Place that right here. Next, we need another 2-snap wire. This 2-snap wire will go down here. Need another 2-snap wire. This 2-snap wire will go down here. Next, we need a 1-snap wire. This 1-snap wire will go right here. Alright. Next, do we need a 3-snap wire yet? No, we don't. Well, we do need the L2 lamp socket. Aha, found it. Oh. Here's the L2 lamp socket. There. We need a 4-snap wire. This 4-snap wire will go right here. Next, we need some more 2-snap wires. I'll just place the one snap wire right here on the M1 motor. Let's get some more 2 snap wires. I got 4 2 snap wires. Let's place a 2 snap wire right here. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Okay, so next we need a 2 snap wire. More 2 snap wires. More 2 snap wires. We need another 2 snap wire. This circuit will probably require a ton of snap wires. Okay. I think that's it for layer 2. We're done with layer 2 for the rest of Snap Circuits Workshop 2. Okay, let's get started with layer 3. Last time we're doing layer 3 for Snap Circuits Workshop 2. Let's place the 2 snap wire right there. We need a 3 snap wire. This 3 snap wire will go right here. Is that it for this project? Yep, I think that's it for the last project in Snap Circuits Workshop 2. Okay, let's see, turn this on. Okay. Whoops. Let me try that again. Oh, the S3 relay just... I must have shaken it too much. And the S4 vibration switch triggers the Q3 SCR and clicks the S3 relay and lights the L2 lamp socket. Alright, so let's turn this off. I'll see you next time for another video. Goodbye. And also, before I end this video, I would like to thank Electronic Insanity for helping me more in these Snap Circuits videos, especially this one. Although I don't know if he actually commented on any of my Snap Circuits Workshop 2 videos. I have a feeling he did. But say goodbye to Snap Circuits Workshop 2. It's time to go back to our regular videos.